Hey everyone, I'm Jerry the Fuji Guys, and today I've got the SQ20 and I'm going to unbox it for you. So if you're interested in finding out what's inside the box, keep watching. All right, so let's get to it. So I've got two versions here. I've got the beige one here that you can see that's already unboxed. I've also got the black version here that I'm going to do the unboxing with. So the SQ20 is a camera that uses the square film. So here I've got a couple of examples of it. I've got the regular white border film as well as the black border film as well. So I'm just going to push these off to the side to give us a little bit of space. And here we go. All right, so right off the top of the box here, we've got some instructions on how the film is loaded. So how to properly load the film, as well as how to turn the camera on and how to switch it from movie and to still image mode as well. There's the one instruction little thing, and then this is just your warranty information itself, and then the instruction booklet that's multilingual that's included in the box. Over here we have our USB cable. So this is to charge the camera itself. So it's just a micro USB cable, just like that. And I'll show you how that plugs in after. Get rid of that. Oh, and there's also the little wrist strap as well. And I'll show you how to attach that as well. It's pretty easy. There we go. Just get rid of that. And then underneath, we have the camera. So it's a pretty simple little package. There isn't much to it. The camera itself has an internal battery, so it's a rechargeable internal battery, so you don't have to worry about losing or misplacing or replacing the actual battery. It'll last you for a very, very long time. So on the side here, we do have the USB ports and the micro SD slot where you can put a memory card in. So you just use the USB cable that's supplied and you just plug it in. And then you can plug that into any USB port. Just like your iPhone or your Android phone. Most phones have a little USB charging, or you can plug it into your computer and charge it that way as well. As for the strap, you can choose which side you are, if you're right-handed or if you're left-handed. So there's two sides to the strap eyelet. It's pretty simple. You just push the strap through the eyelet, and then you take the other end and put it through the hoop. Not much to this box at all. And there you go. And there you have it. That's the SQ20. Not much to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the notification bell to know when the latest videos are out. And be sure to follow us on Twitter @FujiGuys. And until next time, Jerry the Fuji Guy.